mate, so we've arrived safely in Jersey. We've got a busy day already planned. We've got meetings booked in, and we've got an evening meal tonight with our good friend Dominic from Lornham. That's all ahead of tomorrow's PCD event. So let's get cracking. We'll grab our case and let's go.
Okay, so we've made it.
Yeah, we've made it. We've just got to Jersey. The main purpose of our trip is to come to the PCD. This is our 5th or 6th year on the spin. We have a great time. We meet some fantastic new contacts. It'll be great to see David. The last time I saw David was over in Dubai during our sit-down interview. We had a really good time and discussed some really good points. So really looking forward to seeing David.
I'm just stepping outside the hotel for a minute because I think right about there is where we filmed our famous beachside interview with Donald Millar. So happy anniversary to us. Happy anniversary to Spencer West. Let's see what this trip brings. Here we go. So Mark, first impressions.
Absolutely stunning place. Always enjoy coming to Jersey. You're guaranteed the weather. You've got beautiful beaches, beautiful blue skies. Stunning. Absolutely love it. We're here in St Helier. We've got full afternoon of meetings booked in today, so we're just about to go into our first meeting.
Absolutely, yeah. We're meeting another broker. In fact, we've got a couple of meetings over the next 3 or 4 days with other brokers who've reached out to us. They've seen our capabilities and also our experience in offshore structures and been able to help particular types of clients with difficult debt requirements. Yeah, I'm really interested to speak to some new potential introducers.
What's really interesting about one of the meetings that we got today is we have come across this broker a number of times on the deals that we've actually successfully placed. So
yeah, I think by all accounts she's a really nice lady that we're due to meet, but you can't win them all, can you?
Yeah,
and somebody once said to me, if you win every bit of business, you're too cheap.
Mic check, mic check. Okay, welcome back to Empire Global Finance. I am here with our CEO, Matt Davies. Matt, how are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you, Nick. How lovely to be back in Jersey.
Oh, it's amazing. We had a couple of meetings earlier today. How did they go?
Been brilliant. Met some interesting people, a couple of introducers who want to introduce business to us.
Fantastic.
Who are fellow brokers but don't have the capability, the sort of complex deals that we deal with.
That's where we come in.
Yeah, that was really interesting.
We're also going to be attending our good friend Dominic Wertheimer's dinner. Thank you so much to Lornham for allowing us to use this penthouse.
Yeah, thanks, Dom. It's a real treat.
Tomorrow we're attending the PCD event.
Absolutely, this is the 5th year that I've been here. Obviously David Bell does a fantastic job bringing all fellow professionals who work in the private client space. You know, there's obviously people here from the Channel Islands, people fly over from London, and I know there's lots of people coming over from Switzerland. Again, you know, really good for meeting new people. It's very high end, you know, you're meeting business owners, founders, chief executives, managing directors, so it's pitched right at the right level, and some of the business we've had off it has been brilliant.
And I believe the last time we saw David was at the Dubai event. You can see our sit-down interview actually from the Dubai PCD in the link below. We've had a fantastic interview with David, talked about the origins of PCD, our collaboration, our relationship over the years.
Yeah.
So that's a great one to check out as well, and we'll just keep you posted about the rest of our Jersey trip.
Yeah, absolutely. Just going back to that, you know, David's been a real supporter of our business, you know, himself coming from the Northwest and then ventured out himself into London. So yeah, big plug for everything David's doing. So he's a big supporter of Empire and we're a big supporter of PCD. It's really helped our business massively.
Thank you so much, David, and again, thank you so much to our good friend Dominic Wertheimer. Thank you to Lornham, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you.